Hi everybody, it's Kathy from HuckleberryHerbs and Art. I'm so sorry this video for the Happy Camper from Heartfelt Creations is coming out a few days late because school, and I had a wedding, and I got sick, and I got a new puppy. Okay, so really busy at the end of the school year with tons of extra things going on. Speaking of new puppy, there he is. His name's Teddy. 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 There you go. Okay, so Raspberry has a buddy now, and I'll put some videos up specifically for him. On this channel, it's paper crafting and other types of crafting and gardening, and I was out in the garden this morning, so I'm trying to get things up and running after a very busy year. If you like the outdoors, there's a segue, and you like camping, or you have some special summer engagements that you want to make cards to invite people to, or you want to have papers to put for your layouts, this is an adorable set, very cute set. So all about the campers and the little scenes of being outdoors with the fences and the flowers. Here are some more of the different sized 6x5x. I can't remember what size these are, but these are great for popping out and making a few different little cards when you're in a hurry. And Young at Heart from last year, I think if you have that collection, that you'll find some really neat things to add to that collection and to coordinate with that collection. Some really good little titles here with sentiments, everyday moments, good times together, celebrate, enjoy the moment. So some lovely words to pop out. Here are some more of the smaller ones with very pretty ornaments, and these banners and lights and things like that are in the stamps and the dies. So I'll show you those in a second. So any adventures that you have planned, and literally if you enjoy camping, this is just so great. If you have a big family campsite that you go to every year and you surround or circle the wagons and you come home with tons of nice pictures, that would be great. Or maybe you have an outdoor event. A lot of weddings and things take place outdoors these days. And there's a nice background with all of the banners on it. Here are some of the tags, and I think these are perfect for your storytelling and your journaling, or you can just take the tags out and make them, they're big enough, into cards themselves. This is a cute one with the bubbles. Nice pops of red in between those pastel colors, and the very light turquoise in the background. There's a nice scene, pulling up the old truck to the campsite. Beautiful setting in the background, lovely colors. Here's a nice stripe with some of the petunias, I think, from last year, and little polka dots. Just a lovely coordinating scheme. And oh, I love the sheets that they give you so that you can just die cut right away. So if you don't have time to stamp and color and do all that stuff, but you want to make some handmade cards, or you want to make a few cards with the ones that are already set to go and then have a couple special ones, or pop some of these on to those. Some nice diamonds with opposites on the color wheel, right? Very nice. Another page with the umbrellas and the tables and the chairs and the little fireplace or fire pit and the welcome signs and the hollyhocks. Those look like hollyhocks to me, the way they're growing up. And these cute little guys over here, some fencing, some nice streamers for the tops, the bottoms, the sides, and your campers. And on the other side, a nice muted turquoise. Here's some 6x6s and some blank ones, so you can do whatever you would like. A salmon color, darker around the edges, lighter in the center. So if you want to start off with something completely plain and or line something with that. Here's 6x6s of the large ones. And that little scooter. And the truck. And the little setting with the campfire going. And this is more on the orangey side of reds. With a little gingham. Picnic table reminiscent. Here's some more of the 6x6s of the large ones. A very nice gentle baby pink with little polka dots, and if you look deeper there's some ghost embellishments in the background. Here's one with all of the tags and the sentiments. I love they put the word epic in there. That was very popular with the young people fairly recently. They were all running around saying that's epic. Okay, and your little stamp, something for the birthdays, for just an every day for your friend, special events for the family. A very nice gentle stripe. And this is a light turquoise as well, with again some lovely detail. Okay, so those are the papers. We have the Happy Camper stamp and die set. So you got the window, the camper, the door, and I'll show you the sizes of these. These are no small stamps, so nice size stamps here. And yeah, 5 1/4 by 4. The door is 1 1/4 by 2 1/2, and the window with the little treats in it 2 by 1. And then they have the My Happy Place stamp and die set, which has the little umbrella and the table, even a pillow. Look at this, the little barrel with the bottles in it next to the pit. Some nice embellishments for around the yard. Your scooter, a smaller camper. So this camper isn't as big as the other one, but very nice sized stamps. And then the last one is Elements of Home. So these are all your small details. There's that stream or strand of flowers. You get your strand of lights, your banners, your fence, your hollyhocks, your cute little dog and kitty, welcome, open, and another welcome that actually stands up instead of hangs. And I'll show you what those sizes look like. So you can get these banners to go right across the top of most of your cards. The hollyhocks are a nice size. There's the cute little guys. Very nice. Good job, Heartfelt. Lovely summer themes. And I will be back. I'm so sorry I bugged out and was late, but wow, it was a very intense end of the year. I mean, they all are, but having a family wedding and getting another puppy, 2 springs in a row. That's it. We're done. There's a boy, there's a girl. They have friends to be with each other when we're busy and to play with us. Nice little happy family. And I feel better because I got really sick towards the end of the school year too, so that was not easy. So I'll be back with gardening videos, and I'll be making some things with the Heartfelt thing. So sorry it was out a few days late. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see the Heartfelt release every month, as well as other things that I have planned. I probably won't have these in my store. I've had a hard time with how busy I was keeping up on the website, but most likely I'll start putting the newer ones back on. Plus I have a lot of Heartfelt stuff from years ago. If you're looking for little pieces, you should go check it out and see what's there. That's HuckleberryHerbs.com. Till next time, everybody, this is Kathy from Heartfelt Creations and Huckleberry Herbs and Art. God bless.